Hey everybody, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you even more. Today what I'm showing you is an in-process video of a Easter wreath I'm making for my granddaughter using supplies from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing you would need is one of the 14-inch wreaths from the Dollar Tree. I bought 9 rolls of decorative mesh. I bought 3 purple, 2 blue, 2 pink, and 1 white. These are what I have left over for the pink, blue, white. I used about 1.5 rolls. I have another half a roll of purple and another whole roll of mesh here. I also got blue ribbon with bunnies on it, pink with polka dot ribbons. It's pink with gold Easter eggs, and purple with Happy Easter. So that's what they had. For the front, I'm going to put this bunny that says Happy Easter, and I will finish decorating it with these foam eggs. But this is what I've done so far. Get that out of the way. Hope you can see it okay. Still learning the iPad here. So basically this is the tube or ruffle method where you cut the mesh at I cut it at 5 inches and roll it up into tubes of 3, whatever color you want. Every other tube I had a ribbon on it. I'm gonna link a video to Amber. This Southern Girl Can. She has the best tutorials for wreaths. So if you had a question on the size of the Dollar Tree mesh, it is 6 inches and you get 5 yards. So when Amber does hers, she just rolls it up in a little tube and cut it. I have to measure because I've tried just rolling it up and it just didn't seem like it was enough. So I'm going to pause the video, come back and get the decorations on here, and show you the finished product. Hope you stay tuned. Thanks.